I'm Dr. Nerita, a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men restore vitality, confidence, and health. Naturally, I want you to stay with me because what I'm about to share has helped hundreds of my patients turn back the clock on their energy and performance without pills, procedures, or side effects. Here's the truth. Age isn't the real problem. The real problem is mechanics and tension. Over time, stress, sitting, and inactivity tighten the pelvic muscles that control blood flow and sensitivity. Think of it like a kinked hose. The water's there. It just can't reach where it needs to go. Now, imagine reversing that. Just 1 minute a day, stimulating a specific point can relax that tension, restore flow, and re-energize your system. This isn't guesswork, it's physiology. This simple, consistent act is simple, safe, and scientifically sound. If you've been feeling frustrated, thinking this is just part of aging, let me tell you, it's not. Your body isn't broken, it just needs the right signal. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you believe men deserve real solutions, not myths. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from, and make sure you subscribe. Most men believe that performance issues after 50 are just a normal part of aging. They assume their body is slowing down and there's nothing they can do. But here's the truth most men never hear. The real culprit is hidden tension and poor circulation in your pelvic floor. Think about how much time you spend sitting every day, driving, working, watching TV. Every hour tightens the muscles in your lower pelvis. Over the years, those muscles become stiff and weak, like an overused rubber band that's lost its stretch. That hidden tension blocks blood flow and compresses the nerves that control sensitivity and arousal. The result? Slower response, weaker function, and less sensation. But your body can relearn what it forgot. When you release that tension and restore circulation, things begin to change quickly. One of the simplest ways to do this is through direct, gentle stimulation of the area that controls that blood flow, a small spot between the scrotum and the anus called the perineum. This point connects to the same network of vessels and nerves responsible for control and sensation. Gentle massage for just 60 seconds a day can help relax the pelvic muscles, expand blood vessels, and send new oxygen to the tissues that need it most. It's like clearing a traffic jam inside your own body. Men who try this consistently often report not just better performance, but stronger bladder control, reduced lower back pressure, and a quiet return of confidence. Now, let's talk about how to actually find and stimulate this point safely and effectively. You don't need special tools, just a minute of quiet consistency and an understanding of your own anatomy. The area we're focusing on is the perineum, the soft space between your scrotum and your anus. Underneath this patch of skin runs a dense network of vessels and nerves that supply your pelvic organs. Step-by-step massage. Find a comfortable position. Sit on the edge of a chair with your knees apart or lie down on your back with your knees bent. The key is to stay relaxed so your lower muscles aren't tight. Locate the spot. Use your index and middle fingers to gently press the soft area. You might notice it feels slightly more sensitive or firm than the surrounding skin. That's the exact area we're targeting. Apply gentle pressure. Press with about the same firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe. Enough to feel it, but not enough to cause pain. Begin the massage. Make slow circular motions for about 30 seconds, then switch directions for another 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can press for 5 seconds, release, and repeat. The point is to stimulate, not to strain. Use a natural oil. Oils like castor oil for deep penetration and blood flow, or coconut oil for comfort can enhance results. Warm the oil slightly between your palms before applying. Timing. The best time is either in the morning to support energy for the day or in the evening to relax tension for better sleep. 1 minute is all it takes. You might feel a little awkward at first. That's normal. But once you realize this is medical self-care, not anything strange, you relax. Within a week or two, men often notice subtle changes: deeper sleep, lighter hips, and a return to that natural function. Why do pills give short-term results but often leave men feeling stuck? Because you can't fix a mechanical problem with a temporary chemical push. Mistake number 3, relying on chemical shortcuts. The biology. Pills may force blood flow temporarily, but they don't teach your vessels or nerves how to function properly again. They mask the symptoms, but don't rebuild flexibility or coordination. Your body starts to rely on the chemical shortcut instead of repairing itself. The emotional impact, this leads to a loss of trust in your own body. You become dependent, which only increases anxiety and reduces confidence. The practical fix. This massage works with your body. It retrains your muscles to release tension and improves blood vessel elasticity. The change builds gradually, but the results last because they're natural and permanent. Mistake number 2, underestimating stress, fight or flight. The biology. When you carry constant stress, your nervous system stays in fight or flight mode. Blood flow to the pelvis decreases, tension builds, and performance suffers. The emotional impact. The constant feeling of pressure or worry locks up your body, causing disconnection and frustration. The practical fix. The massage helps reverse that. It's a signal to your body that it's safe to relax. When you combine it with deep breathing, your stress hormones drop and your body enters repair mode. Mistake number 1, being sedentary, the enemy of circulation. The biology. Your pelvic floor is a network of muscles that thrives on motion. Sitting all day is the enemy of circulation, building pressure in your lower body. The emotional impact. The body feels heavy, slow, and unresponsive, leading to a sense of decline and resignation. The practical fix. We fix this by combining the massage with movement. Short, gentle walks or stretches after meals tell your body, stay open, keep flowing. This is where real transformation begins. You've learned about the spot and the mechanism. Now let's accelerate your results with 2 additional habits. The 1-minute massage, your daily mechanical reset. Movement, the flow signal. Add short walks after meals, even just 10 minutes. They boost blood flow, keep the small vessels flexible, and stop pressure from building up. Deep breathing, the nervous system. Reset. After your massage, sit quietly and take 5 slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. This is mechanical. The diaphragm's movement naturally massages your pelvic organs and lowers stress hormones. When you combine these 3, massage, movement, and breathing, you're giving your body everything it needs to stay strong and responsive. It's all natural. No side effects, no dependency. Gentlemen, I want you to understand something clearly. Your body is not broken. It doesn't need to be rescued. It just needs to be reminded. Every man watching this has the ability to restore his vitality. The power isn't in a pill, it's in your daily habits. Here is your challenge for the next 3 weeks. Commit to just 1 minute a day of the massage, move a little more, and breathe with intention. Most men notice results within days, but by week 3, the changes often feel permanent. Remember this. It's never too late to reconnect with your body. You're not too old and you're not too far gone. Your health, your strength, your energy, they're still there, waiting for you to claim them again. If this message gave you hope, hit that like button right now. Subscribe for more science-backed solutions, and in the comments, tell me, what's one change you're committing to starting tonight?